In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a TradingView account. By the end, you'll have a new TradingView account created and verified, ready to access charts and tools. First, navigate to TradingView. Open a web browser and go to tradingview.com. Make sure the address bar shows the official site before you continue. Wait for the homepage to load fully so the navigation icons appear. Next, click Get Started. Move to the top right and click the member icon. On the menu that opens, select Get Started. This takes you to the Sign Up and Plan selection page. Now choose your account type. On this page, you can pick the free basic plan, or start a 30-day free trial if you want to test premium features. If you're only getting started, the basic plan works well and doesn't require any payment details. If you're exploring premium, select the trial option to see advanced tools. Take a moment to confirm the plan you want, then continue. From here, sign up for your account. If you're creating a new login, type a unique username, enter your email address, and create a secure password. Use a password you haven't used elsewhere. If you prefer to link an existing account, choose Google, Apple, Facebook, or Yahoo. Click the provider you want and follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. Either way, make sure you have access to the email you enter or the account you link, because TradingView will send a verification message to activate your profile. When everything looks correct, click the button to complete sign-up. Once that's done, confirm your email. Open your email inbox and look for a message from TradingView asking you to verify your address. If you don't see it right away, wait a minute and check your spam or junk folder. When the email arrives, open it and click the verification link. This link confirms you own the address and activates your account. If the message hasn't arrived after a short wait, return to the TradingView tab and use the option to resend the verification email, then check your inbox again. Keep the TradingView tab open while you verify so the process completes smoothly. After you click the verification link, your browser will open a TradingView page confirming that your email is verified and your account is active. At this point, your TradingView account setup is complete and ready to use. That's it. You've successfully set up and verified your TradingView account, and you can now access the platform with the plan you selected. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.